Hi everyone, welcome to Nano eLearn and back to Java for Selenium tutorial series. In our previous session, we have discussed about how to use switch case statement in Java programming. In today's video, I will talk about while loop in Java programming along with a practical demo. Before that, make sure to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon whenever new content is uploaded. If you would like to get clear understanding on how to use while loop in Java programming along with a program at the end, please watch this video completely. Let's get started. While loop in Java. Before understanding about while loop in Java programming, let us understand what are loops. Loops execute a block of code as long as a specific condition is met. Loops reduce errors, save time, and also makes code more readable. What are while loops? While loops are a block of code which loops as long as a particular condition is true. The syntax will look like below. It starts with while a condition. When a condition is met, as long as the condition is true, a block of statement or statements gets executed. Here, when I say statements, it could be a single statement or multiple statements. This is an example code. If we see how this works, let us try to understand using this while loop demo. Here I have initialized a variable y with value 5. I have given a condition y less than or equal to 10. Here, as long as y is less than or equal to 10, it prints the output as y value is equal to the value that is present in the y variable. It all keep on increasing using y++ increment operator here. So this is how it works here. In this case, what will happen is it initially y is equal to 5, so it is less than 10. It is less than or equal to 10. The condition is true here. So it starts printing from y value is 5 till equal to 10. So this is how the values get printed at the output. Let us see and understand using a practical demo. For this, you need to open Eclipse IDE. You need to create a new class. Right click on the project and select new class and select public static void main and click on finish button. So it creates a class. Here, for instance, I have created a class with name as while demo. So writing this example code which I just covered in my presentation. So I initialize the variable y and I am verifying the condition as y less than or equal to 10. Then I am printing the output as y value is. I am giving the plus operator so that it will print the y value. So this is append operator, and I am incrementing the y value by 1 every time. Y++ is equivalent to y is equal to y plus 1. So every iteration it increments the y value by 1. So it starts with 5 and the output is printed till equal to 10. So this is how the output will get printed. Let us see. I am running this code. You can see that the y value is 5 till the y value is 10 is printed at the output. So this is how the while loop will work as long as the condition is true. These are some useful URL links. That's it for today's video. Happy learning. Thanks for watching my video. Have a good day.